Welcome back. In this video, we will install and use the Hugging Face inference package to make API calls to AI models. Let's begin. First, install the package via npm. Once installed, create a new file. Now import the config function from .env package. Now we need to import the text classification function from the Hugging Face inference package. Text classification, especially when we say sentiment analysis, refers to the method of detecting whether a text is positive, negative, or neutral. So once you import the function, execute it and store the result into a variable. The function requires an object configuration which specifies what model we want to use for this task. Then we provide the inputs that we want the model to process. And lastly, we provide the API token that we already have in the .env file. As for the model, we can explore the Hugging Face website to search for the right model to use for our use case. So visit huggingface.co/models. Here you will see many filters in the left panel. Among them, you have the task category. Expand it and there you will find the text classification filter under the NLP subcategory. Click on it and you will see a list of models which supports text classification. Now you should know that not all models support inference. So on the right, click on Inference Available. Now from the list you can select any model of your choice. I will use the Process AI Filbert model. So let's open it and copy the model name. Now back to Xcode, paste the name in the model key of the config object. Now let's just print out the result onto the console. Finally, open up the terminal and run the file with Node. You will see the result printed on the terminal showing the percentage of how close is it to positive, negative, or neutral sentiment. This is the minimal example of how someone can use the text classification function from the Hugging Face inference package. That's all for now. See you in the next video.